Oh, I saw your question. You don't give the directions, but I believe you want to factor this. So we have 10a cubed bc plus 20a to the fourth b squared c cubed minus 38a to the fifth bc to the fifth. First step is determining greatest common factor. What do they all have in common? So we look at the three numbers 10, 20, and 38, and the only thing that divides evenly with remainder 0 is 2. And how many a's do they have in common? Well, this one has 3, 4, and 5, and the smallest number, we have 3 a's in common. How many b's? 1, 2, and 1, so they all have at least one b. And C got 1, 3, and 5, so at least 1. So that's a GCF. So then I take each term, each one of these terms, there's trinomial, and I write the GCF, and then times what I need to obtain this term. So only thing, 2 times 5 would be 10, and then we have that A cubed BC. So then we have the GCF again, and 2 times 10 would be 20. We have 3 A's here, we still need one more. We have 1 B here, we still need one more. We have 1 C, we need 2 more. Then we do it one more time. 2 go into 38 19 times, it's a minus this time. We have 5 A's, we're missing 2 of them. We have a B, already counted for, we need 4 more C's. So this product, if you multiply this, it gives you minus 38a to the fifth power times b times c to the fifth power. So then you factor the GCF, and then what's left is the 5 and the 10a bc squared, and finally the minus 19a squared c to the fourth. Don't forget the minus sign. Close parenthesis there. Hope that helps.